doing some hydro and telephone next to a water main. And so we're digging in sand here because it's we're on top of a storm retention pond. So it's a big fill of sand. But right here under my bucket I got a water main. So what I'm doing is I'm starting with my trench on the outside edge away from the water main, and then I'll slowly start creeping in over towards it. So the reason why I'm doing this is that, well, I can bulk some of the sand out comfortably, but then when I do go to start inching over towards the water, if for some reason I do come into contact with it, my bucket will have a void to the other side, which will give it a little bit of forgiveness if I do come into contact with the water main. And the water here is Blue Brood PVC. Always want to keep things tidy. I can bulk a little bit of this off the top comfortably. Also, the water main here, which is obviously recently installed, is surrounded in road base, which is a 3/4 minus crushed rock. So I do have that as well. So as soon as I start seeing that road base, I know I'm getting close. We also don't want to get too close because we need a foot separation minimum to the hydro. So now I'm going to start inching over. I can see where my trench was up to this point, so I know I'm safe, but I'm still going to inch over just in case it veers offline. And also what you'll see is, so when you go to curl, that's your most likely point of contact when you're going to have a break, is in your curl, because you're not going to feel it. So you can see what I'm doing is I'm pulling off to the left side of my trench when I go to curl. That way I don't have a chance of clipping the water into my curl. Now I'm going even a little bit slower. As I'm inching over. Obviously any sign of road base, the levers are going to stop. So that's why I started off to the left here. So it gives me a nice void if I have a little bit of deflection off the water main. I've got a void to go over to. No resistance on the left side of my bucket. Yeah, pretty straightforward stuff here, easy digging. But yeah, that's it. And obviously you always want a spotter on the ground when you're digging around utilities. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Appreciate it.